Now our VPN gateway is successfully deployed. So once this VPN gateway is successfully deployed, now we'll start with the second part where we have to do the point to site VPN configuration. So you just need to open your production VPN gateway that you have created and click on this point to site configuration, and then you're going to click here configure now. Once you click to configure now, it will give us an option. So now we are going to select the option. The first thing that we are going to choose here, the IP address, right? So what is this IP address? So this IP address is the IP address that your virtual machines we are going to get when they're going to connect with this particular gateway. So let me type 172.16.16.1. It depends. If you want more, then it depends on you. But for me, it's like I just want 254 is sufficient for me as of now. Then you select this, and here is the option that I was talking about. So this Open VPN SSL option is there, and this IKE version 2 option is there, right? If you go with the basic, you only get SSTP base. So but we are going to use certificate based authentications, right? So if you select this IKE version 2, then you are going to get the options. You have the option for certificate and Azure Active Directory and radius authentication. So what we are going to use, we are going to use the certificate based authentication. The thing that you have to do, you have to type here root, right, in the first area, and then it asks you your public certificate data, right? So you go back to your VM and copy this self-signed certificate that was generated. Copy the key, certificate key from here, go back and paste this key here, right? So once you do this configuration, specify the IP address that your client will get, select the tunnel type, then select the Azure certificate, type the name of the certificate, copy the certificate and save. Sorry. So this one is okay. Somewhere that too small to configure the feature. Okay. Let's see if this will work. So now the settings are in progress. Once this will done, I was getting some error because the pool size was too small to configure, right? So, and once this will save, right, then the next thing that you're going to get an option is to download this VPN client. So let me go to the client machine. Till that, close this one, open the browser and try to log in to the portal. Let's go to your VPN gateway, open your VPN gateway. go to your point to site configuration, and I believe this is done, and there is an option download your VPN client. Click on this option. So if you can see, there is an option, it will download, so you just need to click it, continue, and now it's done. You can open, then you just go to this option, then you can see multiple clients are there. So the best way, you just go back, right click here, and you extract it. Once you extract, then you just go with 64-bit, and then you'll see one setup. You click on it, so it will give you some warning. Click on more info and click run anyway. You want to install it? Yes. So now just click here, search for VPN, and then you'll able to see VPN settings. Click on the VPN settings, and then can you see this PRD network? And if we go back here, right, we click here. So this is our gateway, right? Let me go back here. So this is my network, right? And this network, that gateway is associated. So that's the reason when you go to your client, you'll able to see this option. And if you click here, there's an option to connect. It will show you want to connect. Yes, click on connect. Now you see it is validating for your certificate, and now the connectivity is stabilized. Once the connectivity is stabilized, now you want to validate if you are able to reach to the cloud-based machine or not. So we have the http colon slash slash, and that was 10.0.0.4 slash default.html. Now you can see you are able to access this website. Only you are able to access this website when the connectivity is there. If you disable VPN, if you go here, if you disconnect it, right, and you try to access it, you're not able to do that, right? Once you go back to your VPN, right, you see it's not working because this is not connected. And if you click on connect, right, now see, once the connectivity is stabilized, the website is accessible. So this particular thing, right, is your the configuration of your point to site gateway, right? And if you click here under the monitoring, it will show you if there is a connectivity, which VPN client try to connect. Sometimes these settings will take some time to update, but definitely once it will update it, it will show you the connection information here. Um, this is the end of the video, and thank you guys for watching this video, and for the further videos, please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.